Hello everyone, welcome you once again. So today we'll discuss about algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are combination of constants and variables connected by means of four fundamental operations, that is plus, minus, multiply and divide. But which parts are separated by the symbols plus or minus are called terms of algebraic expressions. For example, if we are having these algebraic expression, then these are the three parts 2x square, 3x and 4. These are separated by two symbols plus and minus. So these are called terms of this algebraic expression. A quantity which does not change its value is called constant. That means in algebraic expressions, the value which remains same every time are called constant. But the quantity which changes its value every time, that is called variable. For example, numbers of hours in a day, number of months in a year are constant because they always remain same. But the length and breadth of rectangle, and you can take side of square, that may vary as per their sizes. So these are called variables. Now we know six is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. So here 3 and 2 are factors and 6 is called the product of these factors. In the same way, if we are taking xy, can be written as x multiplied by y. So here x and y are factors and xy is product of these factors. Right. So now we have to find out the coefficient of x in xy, that is y. Same way, if we are having term like this 3abc, coefficient of a in 3abc is 3bc. So how we come to know that these are the coefficient? Look at here, if we have to find out the coefficient of x, that means we will not count x. So leave x, whatever is left, that is the coefficient. Same way, if we are having term like this 3abc, here we have to find out the coefficient of a. So we'll cut here, whatever is left, that is 3bc, that is the coefficient of a. Now, coefficient of x in x, that is 1, because x can be written as 1 multiplied by x. So here we have to find out the coefficient of x. So we will not count x. So 1 is left. So that is the coefficient of x. Now the numerical coefficient. Look at here, we are having one term 4x. Here 4 is numerical value and x is variable. So numerical coefficient of this expression is 4 minus 2y. Numerical coefficient means the numerical value of the algebraic expression. So in this expression, numerical value is minus 2. Same way 4ab, numerical value is 4. So now in this way you can find out the numerical coefficient of n. Like and unlike terms. See the variables. 3x, 5x minus 2x. So here look at the variable x and x, all are same. So terms having the same variables are called like terms. That means whatever the term we are having, if they are having same variable, that is called like terms. Now look at these variables now. These terms having variables 7x minus 3y, 7x square. So here the variables are x, y and x square. These are not same. The terms having different variables are called unlike terms. So in this way we can identify the terms which are like or unlike. Like and unlike term basically we are using for addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Remember, only like terms can be added or subtracted. Unlike term cannot be added or subtracted. For example, if you are having 4 apples and someone is having 3 apples, then you can simply add 4 plus 3, 7 apples. But if you are having 4 apples and someone is having 4 bananas, then you can't add that how many apples you are having. Apples and bananas are different fruits, so you can't be added. Same way, if you are having 4x and 3x, you can add 4 plus 3, 7x. But 7x and minus 3y, you can't add or subtract. These are different variables. Product of algebraic expressions. Here we are having few steps. Step 1. Form the group of constants and variables occurring in the monomials. Yeah, whatever the expression we are having. Let us take, I am taking here 5x multiplied by 4x square. What we have to do? Form a group of constant and variable. That means 5 multiplied by 4 and x multiplied by x square. Step 2. Multiply the constant involved. You need to multiply the constant. 5 4s are 20 and it remains same, x multiplied by x square. Now step 3. Multiply the like variables. And for the multiplication we have to add the powers of the variables. Here 1 and 2, so it can be written as x raised to power 1 plus 2. Step 4. Your answer is 20x cube. Right. If we are having one more different variable with that, like this, if we are having x and x square y, like this, if we are taking same term, but I have added one more variable. So same way, step 1, pairs. And y remains same because it is single. So that is our answer. You have to add the power of same variable. That means x can be added in the power of x only, not in y. Now, so what is the difference between addition, subtraction and product? For that algebraic expression, for addition, we need to add or subtract only like terms. That means 3x must be added in the terms which is having same variable. But if we have to do the product, different variables multiply. Like this, if we are having terms x cube y multiplied by y square. So what we have to do in that? We have to add the variable power of the same variable. That means x. Here x cube, but here is no x. So x cube remains same. But y, 1 plus 2. Terms can be multiplied, but powers can be added of same variable only. So I hope this is clear to you all. We'll see you in the next video. But like and subscribe my video and share with your friends if you find this video fruitful.